Qatar Airways, meanwhile, has banned pagers and two-way radios from its flights out of Beirut after dozens were killed and thousands injured in Lebanon this week in device explosions targeting the Hezbollah militant movement. In the wake of the Trojan horse blasts, which Hezbollah has blamed on Israel, all passengers flying from Beirut's airport are prohibited from carrying pagers and walkie-talkies on board. This is what the airline has said in an official statement. In fact, the ban applies to both checked-in and carry-on luggage, as well as cargo, and will be enforced until further notice.